Welcome to English Listening with Bonnie channel. Hello everyone. Today we are going to listen to a short story at an ice cream shop. It is simple, slow, and easy English. In this story, you will hear two friends, Bonnie and Justin, and a shop staff member. Please listen carefully and try to understand the main idea. Before we start, I have a question for you. Please listen and remember the answer. Here is the question. What is the name of the secret ice cream flavor? Listen carefully during the story. The answer will appear inside the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments. This will help you improve your English. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Wow, it is really hot today.
Yes, it is. The sun is very strong.
I am a little tired from walking.
Me too. My feet are hot.
I want something cold.
Something sweet and cold would be perfect.
Oh, look at that shop over there.
Where? I don't see it yet.
Behind that big tree. See the pink sign?
Oh, I see it now.
Is that an ice cream shop?
Yes, I think so. It looks very cute.
The shop is pink and white. It looks so nice.
And look at the windows. I can see ice cream inside.
Wow, there are so many colors. It looks delicious. Bonnie, did you hear the secret about this place?
A secret? No, what is it?
People say they have a flavor that never melts.
That's impossible. Ice cream always melts.
We should go in and find out.
Yes, I really want to see that.
I am a little hungry too.
Ice cream is perfect for a hot day.
Let's go in together. Okay, after you, Bonnie.
Thank you, Justin. You are very kind.
Wait, look at the small sign on the door.
Oh, it says welcome. Please come in.
I like the shop already.
Me too. I have a good feeling about this.
Wow, it is cool inside. It feels so nice.
Yes, I love it. It is very clean.
Now I feel much better. The air is cold.
And look at the menu on the wall.
Let's see. I can see vanilla and chocolate.
And strawberry too, the basic ones.
Yes, I also see mint and coffee.
Oh, there is mango and peach.
That sounds very nice.
Which one do you like, Justin?
I often choose chocolate. It is my favorite.
Chocolate is a good choice. It is rich.
But today I want to try something new.
Oh, really? Something special?
Maybe. Let's go to the counter and see.
Hi, welcome to our shop. What can I get for you today?
Hi, we would like to order, please.
Sure, no problem. What would you like first?
I will have one small cone, please. Strawberry ice cream.
One small cone, strawberry. Got it. Any toppings?
No toppings, just the ice cream, please.
Okay, a simple strawberry cone. That sounds nice.
Bonnie really loves strawberry.
Great choice. And what about you?
For me, one medium cup, please.
A medium cup. What flavors would you like?
2 flavors. Cookies and cream and chocolate.
Cookies and cream and chocolate. 2 great flavors together.
Yes, I love chocolate. I eat it a lot.
Me too. It is my favorite flavor. Any toppings for you, Justin?
Yes, nuts on top, please.
Just nuts? No chocolate sauce?
No sauce. I think chocolate and nuts are enough.
Good choice. Nuts are great with chocolate.
How much is the small cone?
The small cone is $4.50.
And the medium cup with nuts?
That is $6.50.
So the total is $11?
Yes, that is correct. $11 total.
Can I pay with a card?
Yes, of course. Please tap your card here.
There we go. It is done.
Thank you. Please wait one moment.
The strawberry ice cream looks so pink.
We use real strawberries for the color.
Do you make the chocolate here too?
Yes, we make everything in this shop.
That is amazing. It smells so good.
One strawberry cone is ready.
I am ready for my chocolate cup.
And here are the nuts for you.
Bonnie. Can I have a small spoon, please?
Of course. Here is a pink spoon for you.
We might need some napkins too.
Good idea. Ice cream is messy.
Here you go, your delicious ice cream.
Thank you so much. It looks perfect.
This seat is nice. We can see outside.
Yes, and there is sunshine coming through.
It feels warm, but we are cool here.
Let's try it. I am very curious.
Oh, it is so cold and sweet.
This chocolate is so rich.
My strawberry is delicious too. You can really taste the fruit.
Is it very sweet, Bonnie?
No, not too sweet. It is just right.
Mine has many cookie pieces inside.
That makes it more fun to eat, right?
Yes, it is soft and crunchy. I heard they make 50 different flavors.
50? That is a very large number.
Yes, they use 60 liters of milk every day.
60 liters? This shop is very busy.
Look, they have special lids for takeout.
And colorful straws for the milkshakes.
Even the napkins have small ice cream drawings.
That cup is bigger than I thought.
It is a medium cup, but it feels like a large.
My cone is very crunchy. I like it.
Do you want a bite of my cookies and cream?
Oh, that is really good. The cookies are fresh.
Can I try your strawberry?
Sure, go ahead. It is light and sweet.
Wow, it tastes like real garden strawberries.
I am happy we came here.
Is everything okay over here?
Everything is great. The chocolate is the best.
I'm glad you like it. Enjoy your time.
Oh, I almost dropped some on my dress.
Be careful. Use this napkin.
Thank you, Justin. You are helpful.
I have about 10 scoops left.
10 scoops? No, only 3 or 4.
Maybe I want to imagine it is 10.
Look at that clock. It is 5 minutes past 3.
3:05. We have plenty of time.
The music here is very happy.
It is a very friendly atmosphere.
Look at those ice cream hats for sale.
$15 for a hat. That's not bad.
I am almost finished. It was so fast.
Outside was so hot. Inside is so cool.
We walked fast before. Now we sit slow.
My old day was boring. This new day is fun.
This reminds me of when I was a kid.
Oh, really? What do you remember?
My grandmother always bought me strawberry ice cream in summer.
That is a very sweet memory, Bonnie.
Yes, she was a very kind person.
My father took me every Sunday for chocolate.
Of course. You always loved chocolate.
Do you eat ice cream in winter too?
Yes, I do. It is a small luxury.
Every season is ice cream season for us. Look, I found the secret flavor.
What is it called? It looks different.
It is called the Summer Dream.
That one is very special. It stays cold for a long time.
So that was the secret you heard?
Yes, now we know.
Next time I will try that one.
It's a promise. We will come back.
I want to come back in autumn for the apple one.
Apple ice cream sounds very interesting.
Summer, autumn, and maybe winter too.
That sounds like a wonderful plan.
Ice cream is magic. I feel cool now.
I feel cool too. Let's walk home slowly.
The sky is so blue today.
Yes, it is a beautiful day now.
Hot, but beautiful. Thanks to the ice cream.
And thanks to good company.
You are a good friend, Justin.
Thank you for coming with me.
It was a sweet adventure.
I will remember this pink shop.
Me too. It is like a dream,
Sometimes simple things are the best,
like a cold treat on a hot afternoon.
and sharing it with someone nice.
Yes, that makes a perfect day.
Let's get home and tell everyone.
Tell them about the secret flavor.
They will never believe it doesn't melt.
We will show them next time.
Great job listening. Now, let's check the question again. What is Justin's secret? Did you catch the answer? If yes, please write it in the comments below. Practice like this every day, and your English will improve step by step. Thank you for watching. If you like this lesson, please subscribe and like the video. I will share more slow and easy English stories for you. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.